In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView Layouts. First, let's begin by launching TradingView. It's important to note that to fully utilize the features I'll be covering today, you will need a professional tier plan. This includes subscriptions like Expert, Elite, or Ultimate. These plans give you access to native tick intervals, which are essential for precise trading analysis. Once you have TradingView open, let's move on to the next step. If you are prompted to log in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account associated with your subscription plan. This step is crucial, as logging into the right account ensures you have access to all your saved layouts and custom settings. Now, on the Open Stock, choose the name you wish to open. Selecting the correct stock is vital as it sets the stage for the data you'll be analyzing. Doing this step carefully saves you time and avoids any confusion later on. Once you've chosen your stock, make sure you click on Full Chart. This will provide you with the complete view and all the available tools. Having the full chart is important because it allows you to see all indicators and drawing tools at your disposal. At this point, direct your attention to the top right toolbar. Click the drop-down arrow next to your current layout's name. This drop-down is where you can manage and switch between different layouts. It is an efficient way to organize your workspaces according to different analysis needs. From there, click on Load Layout or Open Layout from the menu. This action will allow you to access previously saved layouts that you have customized for your trading activities. It ensures that you can quickly get back to a familiar setup without needing to reconfigure settings. A window will pop up listing all your saved workspaces. Click any layout name to open it instantly in your current tab. This feature is particularly handy because it allows you to switch contexts rapidly, which is beneficial when you're analyzing multiple stocks or strategies. Now, if you want to ensure that any drawing tools you use, such as support lines, Fibonacci retracements, or trend lines, are visible across all screens in your layout, pay attention to this next step. Look at the left vertical drawing toolbar. This is where you will find all your drawing tools conveniently located. It's a crucial area for technical analysis. Next, click and hold the lock or sync icon. This icon might look like a magnet, a globe, or even a multi-chart icon depending on your version of TradingView. This step is essential because it allows you to manage how your drawings interact across different charts. Finally, ensure that Sync Drawings to all charts in layout is toggled on. Doing this ensures that every future line you draw will replicate automatically across all charts in your layout. This feature saves a lot of time and ensures consistency in your analysis. And there you have it. You've learned how to effectively use TradingView layouts to enhance your trading experience. With practice, you'll find these steps become second nature, allowing you to focus more on your trading strategies. Thank you for watching, and happy charting!